Now we're here at the Samson International Mobility Summit here in Tel Aviv, and I've got my friend Dotan over here. Thank you, Dotan, for joining us on Automate. You are heading, all the startups in the mobility space. How dynamic is the startup ecosystem, especially when it comes to mobility space here in Israel?
So the startup in mobility in Israel is a very large community. Ecomotion, our organization, was established in 2012. Since then, we have around 700 companies around all sectors, from air mobility, maritime, land, autonomous vehicles, batteries, charging, everything. We were number 4 in the world in investments in mobility sector, and we really have a great ecosystem here in Israel.
If we talk about summits like these, how do they bring the forefront of Israeli technology in the mobility space to the global space? If you can expand on that.
Yeah, so as you can see here, we have various technologies. We meeting each other. We see how to combine them with each other. If it's in-vehicle technologies, if it's robots, if it's charging for EVs, for scooters, everything. And from here to the world, we want to express our resilient, our entrepreneurship in Israel, which is very, very great, and to deliver it to the world.
And if we talk about like the India context, we saw a lot of startups here that are working with the Indian OEMs as well as Indian manufacturers to bring Israeli technology out there. How important strategically do you see India play a part in the Israeli growth or the Indian growth in the mobility space?
Yeah, so I think India and Israel have a lot in common and a lot of ways to work together and partner together. I know the Ministry of Economy is working on that on both sides, and we have great relationship with India. And I think the Israeli technology can really assist the Indian market, which is huge and enormous, and we can do great things together.
And what is that one startup ecosystem that you see will kind of define or put the roadmap for the future of mobility? We've seen a lot of AI, driverless cars, get into the foray. But what is that next innovation that will make the mobility space fly?
Yeah. So we're talking about physical AI today, the robotics, everything. We know labor is very intense and hard problem around the world. So everything related to physical AI, robotics, humanoids, I think this will be the future of manufacturing, of vehicles. Autonomous is not it's not a dream anymore. It's in real life. So I think this is the next part.
All right, thank you so much for giving me your time. And you can also read the entire transcript of this interview on ndtv.com. Thank you so much for watching Automate.
Thank you.